Hello students, today's topic is operation on matrices. Just in previous topic we know about the matrix and kind of matrix. Now we are going to know about the operation of matrices. Very simple addition of matrix. Here we know about the addition of matrix. How can we add the two matrices? The two matrices will be added only when their order will be same. Suppose just we are going to add the two matrices A 2 minus 1 3 4 2 and next B is minus 1 minus 2 3 4 2 6. Here the order of A and order of B are same. If order will be different, then addition will be not possible. So there is the condition, or you can say the necessary and sufficient condition for addition is what? It is the both matrices must be of same order. Here M is 2 by 3 and B is also 2 by 3. Then addition is possible. Otherwise, addition is not possible. Now, if we are going to add A plus B, very simple. We have to add the same orders. Yes. Suppose it is the A11 and it is also A11. So here we have to add 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1. 3 plus 3. 4 plus 4. 2 plus 2. And 1 plus 6. It will be same order 2 into 3. Now very easy to calculate it. You can calculate easily. Here 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 3 plus 3 6. 4 plus 4 8. 2 plus 2 4. 1 plus 6 7. So that is the addition. Very simple. Now, just in previous classes, we know the addition, the operation addition has some properties. Now, all these properties here in matrix addition, same property will be held in matrix addition. So how? Just it has been written if A, B and C are the matrices of the same order. What has been written here? Same order is required. Then A plus B equal to B plus C. Commutative properties. We are familiar about it. Very child from class 6 it is going on. Here A plus B, B plus C. A and B both are the matrix of same order. So the addition of matrix also follow the commutative rules. That commutative properties. Now the second, here it is known as the associative properties. Associative A plus B plus C. Here we are going to add A plus B first, then C. That is the association of two things once upon. If there are three matrices A, B, C of same order, then A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Here association of A and B, and in this the B and C, then it's hold the associative properties also. It's follow the associative properties also. Now, third property is the additive identity. In previous classes, we are familiar about the additive identity In additive identity, 0 is the additive identity. Here a plus 0, a plus 0, 0 is here null matrix. A plus 0 equal to 0 plus a. That means if we will be add any matrix with null matrix, then result will be same. It will be provide A. So that is the 0 additive identity. Now additive inverse. We know about the additive inverse of the number. Suppose 3, the additive inverse is minus 3, 2 minus 3, 4 minus 3. The same thing here. The additive inverse of A is minus. And when we will be add two additive numbers, suppose 3 plus minus 3, then result will be 0. Here in the same way, the A plus minus and minus A plus A equal to 0. That means it keeps a null matrix, the 0. That means here minus A is additive inverse of A. We know about it. Just we have to say minus 3 is the additive inverse of A. In same way we can say the minus A, the matrix minus A is the additive inverse of matrix A. Now A plus B equal to A plus C equal to B. This implies that B equal to C. It is known as the left cancellation law. Left cancellation law. A plus B equal to A plus C. A and A. The left of B is A and left of C is A. So both are same matrix. Then the left matrix A can be cancelled and the result will be equal to C, and it is known as the left cancellation law. This next, B plus C equal to C plus C. Are you observing here? The right of B is A here and right of C is A here. A is the same matrix, then it can be cancelled. Very easy, you know about it, it's very simple, and we can write here B equal to C, and it is known as the right cancellation law. So these are the some operations. Now next topic is the subtraction of matrices. Same as just addition of matrices, you know the fundamental operation is only addition. Subtraction is just the reverse process. In subtraction of two matrices also require subtraction between two matrices only possible when both will be of same order. Suppose I am going to write here A equal to 3 minus 1, 4, 2, 1, 3. It's the 2 into 3 into 2, 3 by 2, and B is 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 3, 1. This is the same order. Now we have to subtract it. How can we subtract it? See here, just I am going to write A above A minus B. A minus B can be written as here 3 minus 1, 2. Same. The A11 will be subtracted from A1, A12 from A12. So 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 1 will be 0, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 3 minus 1, 2. And order will be same, namely 3 by 2. The result will be of the same. Very simple to know the subtraction. Now the next topic is here scalar multiplication. Or what is that scalar multiplication? If any matrix will be multiplied by a number, a fixed number, then that matrix will be that number's times. अब here, sorry, see, let A equal to A is a by n be a matrix and K is a scalar. Then A will be Ai. That means when we are going to multiply by K, then the value of this matrix is known as the kth term. So that Ka. So just see an example. It will be more clear about an example. Suppose that is the matrix A equal to 3, 4, 1, minus 1. We have to multiply by 2A. 2 is here a scalar, 2A. Then how can we multiply here? 2 can multiply in each element of it. The 2 into 3, it will be 6, minus 2, 8, 4, 2, and 6. So that is the 2. That is the example of a scalar. That is the example of a scalar multiplication. A scalar multiplication. Now, also, one thing we have to know about it, negative of matrix. What is the negative matrix? If any matrix will be multiplied by minus 1, then the result will be negative of that matrix. Here, A minus 1, minus 3. If, for example, we are going to see an example, 1, 2, 3, 1. It's 2 by 2 matrix. If minus A will be, that means minus 1 will be multiplied here, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2. Minus 1 will multiply by A. This minus A is the negative matrix of it. Very simple here also. Now, some examples. If we will be solve some examples, then all these operations will be more clear. Just I am going to write one example. One questions here. Suppose two matrices given here. You see question. Write question with along with me. You can write the question also. The question x plus y. That is a matrix. There are two matrices, x plus y and x minus y. X plus y and x minus y is here 5, 2, 0, 9. 5, 2, 0, 9. And another is 3, 6, 0, minus 1. 3, 6, 0, minus 1. Now we have to find the value of x and y. See, that is the two matrices, but that matrix is given in x plus y and x minus y. Now, this is the question. We have to find the x and y matrix differently. Very easy. Are you observing here? It is the linear equation in two variables. Just like we have to solve the linear equation in two variables. If x plus y equal to 5, 2, 0, 9 is equation 1 and this is the equation 2. Add both equations. If we be adding 1 and 2, we will write adding 1 and 2. Then it will be 2x. 2x will be here. Add. Just we have to add 5 to 3. 5 plus 3 will be 8. 2 plus 6 8, 0 plus 0, 0 and 9 minus 1, 8. It's the 2x. If you want to find x, then divide both sides by 2 easily. Yeah, you can say multiply half both sides. So according to a scalar multiplication, if you will be multiply half on both sides, then we will get 1 by 2 into 2x equal to 1 by 2, 8, 8, 0, 8. Now what we have to do? By 1 by 2 we have to multiply everywhere. Then what will be the result? The result will be 4, 4, 0 and 4. It becomes 2 is here cancelled. Value of x is 4. That is the value of x. 4, 4, 0. Now we have to find the y. For that, are you observing here x plus y, x minus y? If we will subtract 2 from 1, then we will get y. We are going to now write the subtract 2 from 1. Yeah, 2 from 1. That means x plus y, x minus y. If we will be subtract the minus x here, subtract, then we have to change the sign minus x and plus y. X minus x will be 0 and y plus y will be 2y. Now subtracting same manner here a11 from a1. That means 5 minus 3. The result will be 2. 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 6, minus 4, and 9 minus 1, it will be 10. Again, multiply by half on both sides, just by the rule of square multiplication. It will be multiplied by half on both sides, then we will get here y half into 2 minus 4, 0, 10. So half, just it will be multiplied by half, then it will be 1, it will be 2, it will be 0, minus 2, it will be 5. So that is the result will be x. It's clear? Sum again, just for the more clarification, just I am going to deal and simple examples. Just see. If A is question number 2. Suppose A equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 1 and B equal to minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, 4. You have to find A plus 3B. Easily you can find. So many questions can be constructed by these two methods. Suppose you have to find A plus 3. Again, find minus 2A plus 4B. Find A minus 6B. So in this way, you can find, you can solve, and that is the end. Here both type of example is here, addition and multiplication and scalar multiplication. All is present in only these examples. So thanks. Now in next video we will be consider the multiplication of matrices. Thank you.